Hey there, tech enthusiasts and future AI pros. Welcome back to the channel. Now, more than ever, we're seeing artificial intelligence impact almost every aspect of our lives, from how we work to how we interact with the world around us. And you know what that means? A massive demand for skilled professionals who can build, train, and manage these powerful AI systems. So, if you're looking to level up your skill set and maybe even your paycheck, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into the top 10 highest paying AI skills to master in 2024. We'll break down each skill, explore real-world applications, and give you the inside scoop on the tools and technologies you need to succeed. Whether you're a coding newbie or a seasoned tech pro, this video has something for you. So, grab your favorite notebook, get ready to take some notes, and let's unlock the future of AI together. All right, let's kick things off with the heavy hitter, machine learning engineering. This is like the all-star quarterback of the AI world, and trust me, companies are fighting tooth and nail to get these guys on their team. Why? Because machine learning engineers are the masterminds behind those super smart AI systems that seem to know you better than you know yourself. We're talking about algorithms that learn from massive data sets, finding hidden patterns and making crazy accurate predictions. Think Netflix recommending shows you can't resist or Spotify curating the perfect playlist for your mood. That's the power of machine learning in action. Now, if you're ready to jump into this high-demand field, you've got to equip yourself with the right tools. And in the world of machine learning, Python is king. You'll want to get cozy with powerful libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. These are your secret weapons for building, training, and fine-tuning those complex neural networks that power machine learning magic. If you're driven by solving real-world problems with cutting-edge technology, machine learning engineering might just be your calling. It's challenging, it's constantly evolving, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Let's dive into natural language processing, or NLP. NLP bridges the gap between humans and machines, teaching computers our language. We communicate through words, tone, and emojis. For computers, it's ones and zeros. NLP helps machines understand human language. Ever chatted with a human-like chatbot or used Google Translate? That's NLP at work. Intrigued by systems that understand human language? Dive into NLP, master Python and linguistics, explore libraries like NLTK and Spacey, build chatbots and sentiment analysis tools. Imagine controlling your smart home with your voice. That's the future of NLP. Moving on to another game-changing field, computer vision. This is where AI gets really interesting because we're talking about giving machines the ability to see and interpret the world just like we do. Computer vision goes way beyond just capturing images. It's about teaching machines to understand what they're seeing, to recognize objects, analyze scenes, and even predict movements. This is the technology that powers everything from facial recognition systems used in security and authentication to self-driving cars that can navigate complex environments. And let's not forget about medical imaging, where computer vision is revolutionizing disease diagnosis and treatment planning. So how do you break into this exciting field? Get ready to dive into the world of image processing, deep learning, and algorithms that can extract meaning from pixels. Just like with machine learning, Python will be your trusty sidekick in this journey. But you'll also want to familiarize yourself with libraries like OpenCV and TensorFlow, which provide the deep learning muscle to build powerful image recognition models. Imagine drones that can inspect infrastructure for damage, robots that can assist with surgery, or even augmented reality experiences that blend seamlessly with the real world. Computer vision has the potential to solve critical problems in healthcare, transportation, manufacturing, and countless other industries. If you're fascinated by the idea of teaching machines to see, computer vision is a field ripe with opportunity. Let's talk about the data wizards, the insight hunters, the ones who find gold in a sea of information. Data scientists make sense of the massive amounts of data generated every second. They use statistics, machine learning, and data visualization to uncover hidden patterns and predict trends. This data is a goldmine for businesses to understand customers and gain a competitive edge. Programming languages like Python and R are essential for manipulating and visualizing data. Dive into data science, master the tools, and uncover hidden stories within the data. Let's shift gears now and talk about a field where AI gets physical robotics. This is where software meets hardware, where lines of code transform into machines that can sense, think, and act in the real world. We're not just talking about those cute little robots that vacuum your floors, although those are cool too. We're talking about robots that can assist with surgery, explore the depths of the ocean, or even work alongside humans in factories and warehouses. Robotics is about building the future of automation, creating machines that can perform tasks that are too dangerous, repetitive, or simply impossible for humans to do. And as AI technology continues to advance, robots are becoming smarter, more adaptable, and more capable than ever before. So now, if you're fascinated by the idea of building intelligent machines, robotics is the field for you. But be prepared, this is a multidisciplinary domain that requires a blend of mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer science, and of course, artificial intelligence. You'll need to understand how to design and build robots, program their movements, and equip them with the sensors and actuators they need to interact with their environment. One of the key tools you'll want to familiarize yourself with is ROS, the Robot Operating System. This open-source framework provides the building blocks you need to create complex robotic systems, from controlling motors and sensors to implementing navigation algorithms and computer vision tasks. It's about creating a future where robots work alongside humans, enhancing our capabilities and creating new opportunities. All right, let's dive into the deep end, shall we? And by deep, I mean deep learning, the field that's pushing the boundaries of AI and driving breakthroughs in everything from image recognition to natural language processing. Deep learning takes neural networks to a whole new level, creating complex, multi-layered structures that mimic the way the human brain processes information. These deep neural networks have an incredible capacity to learn from massive data sets, extracting intricate patterns and making predictions with astonishing accuracy. They're the powerhouses behind some of the most impressive AI applications we see today. Think about it. When you unlock your phone with your face, that's deep learning at work. When you ask Siri or Alexa a question, deep learning is powering those voice assistants. And when you see those mind-blowing deep fakes that look eerily realistic, you guessed it, deep learning is behind the scenes. Deep learning requires a solid foundation in mathematics, particularly linear algebra and calculus, as well as a strong understanding of machine learning concepts. As a deep learning expert, you'll be at the forefront of AI innovation, developing algorithms that can diagnose diseases, translate languages in real time, and even create art that rivals human creativity. To master deep learning, you'll need to become fluent in frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. These tools provide the building blocks for constructing, training, and deploying those powerful deep neural networks. It's a field that demands both technical expertise and a healthy dose of creativity as you experiment with different approaches and push the boundaries of what's possible. Let's dive into reinforcement learning, a branch of AI focused on training agents through trial and error, rewards, and learning. It's revolutionizing robotics, game AI, and resource management. Imagine teaching a dog a new trick. Commands, responses, and rewards. That's reinforcement learning. An AI agent interacts in a virtual environment. It learns from feedback to maximize rewards. This tech powers chess AIs, self-driving cars, and learning robots. It's about adaptable problem-solving AI, building intelligent, curious systems. OpenAI Gym helps create and experiment with these environments. Start building your own intelligent agents. Applications span robotics, game development, finance, and healthcare. All right, let's talk about the edge. And no, I'm not talking about the edge of your seat. I'm talking about Edge AI, where artificial intelligence meets the real world in a whole new way, bringing intelligence directly to devices like smartphones, wearables, drones, and smart appliances, faster processing, real-time decision-making, and enhanced privacy. Edge AI increases reliability, even offline. From smart homes to health trackers, Edge AI is revolutionizing technology. As we venture deeper into the age of artificial intelligence, it's not just about building cool technology, it's about building it responsibly. AI ethics and governance are crucial as AI integrates into our lives. AI is a powerful tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or ill. Ethical frameworks and regulations ensure AI benefits humanity. AI ethics asks tough questions about bias and accountability. AI governance translates principles into actions. It establishes laws and standards for AI systems. Ensuring responsible AI use in sensitive domains is crucial. The need for professionals in this field will only grow. Let's talk about the bridge builders, connecting AI technology and real-world business applications. AI product managers guide the development and launch of AI-powered products. They turn groundbreaking AI algorithms into successful products. They understand both AI capabilities and market needs, translating technical jargon into compelling product roadmaps. AI product managers deliver solutions that make a real difference. Be prepared to wear many hats in this role. You'll need AI knowledge, business acumen, and communication skills. Be the voice of the customer within the development team. AI product management is highly collaborative. You'll be the conductor, creating a symphony of AI innovation. Demand for skilled AI product managers will continue to soar. And there you have it, the top-earning AI software skills to learn in 2024. We've covered a lot of ground, from the intricacies of machine learning to the ethical implications of AI and everything in between. Remember, the field of AI is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is key. Whether you're just starting your AI journey or looking to level up your skills, the most important thing is to stay curious, embrace the challenge, and never stop exploring the possibilities. So, which of these skills resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech insights. Until next time, keep innovating, keep learning, and I'll catch you in the next one.